Imagine, if you will, the aroma of freshly baked bread. It fills your kitchen, warm and inviting. That, my friends, is the magic of homemade garlic Parmesan cheese bread. It's a symphony of flavor, a culinary masterpiece you can create. Forget store-bought bread. Today, we conquer the art of baking. We'll turn simple ingredients into a golden, cheesy delight. Trust me, it's easier than you think. With a little guidance, you'll be pulling out a masterpiece from your oven. Get ready for the delightful crunch, the garlicky aroma, the cheesy goodness. Let's get started, shall we? Before we embark on our baking journey, let's assemble our culinary weapons. Fear not, this is no Michelin star kitchen. We're talking everyday ingredients. For our dough, we need flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and a touch of olive oil. Simple, right? Now, for the star of the show, the garlic parmesan mixture. We'll combine melted butter, minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, and a sprinkle of dried parsley. That's it. No fancy equipment, no obscure ingredients. Just pure, simple goodness. First, we wake up the yeast. This is a crucial step, as the yeast is the life force of our dough, giving it the rise and fluffiness we desire. Combine warm water, sugar, and yeast in a bowl. The sugar acts as food for the yeast, helping it to activate and start bubbling. Let it sit, bubbling gently for about 5 minutes. This is when the yeast starts to work its magic, creating a frothy mixture. In a larger bowl, mix flour and salt. The salt adds flavor and helps to strengthen the dough. Make a well in the center and pour in the yeast mixture and olive oil. The olive oil adds richness and helps to keep the dough moist. Now get your hands dirty. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This process develops the gluten, giving the dough its structure. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth and let it rise in a warm place for an hour. This is when the dough doubles in size, becoming light and airy. This, my friends, is where the magic begins. The dough transforms, becoming the perfect base for our creation. While the dough is having its beauty sleep, we prepare the garlic parmesan mixture. This will add a burst of flavor to our final product. Melt butter in a saucepan over low heat. The butter should be gently melted to avoid burning. Add minced garlic and cook for a minute until fragrant. The garlic infuses the butter with its rich aroma. Stir in grated Parmesan cheese and parsley. Set aside. This mixture will be the perfect topping, adding a savory and aromatic finish to our dough. Section 4. The Alchemy of Heat. In this section we will explore the magical transformation that occurs when heat meets dough. It's a process that has fascinated bakers for centuries. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial as it ensures that the dough will bake evenly and develop a beautiful crust. Punch down the risen dough to release the air. This step helps to redistribute the yeast and sugars, giving the dough a more uniform texture. Roll it out into a rectangular shape. The even thickness will ensure that it bakes uniformly, avoiding any undercooked or overcooked spots. Now, for the fun part. This is where your creativity can shine, and you can add your personal touch to the dough. Brush the garlic parmesan mixture generously over the dough. The mixture will infuse the dough with rich flavors, making every bite a delight. Make sure every inch is covered in that cheesy goodness. This ensures that every slice will be packed with flavor. Carefully roll the dough into a log shape. This step requires a gentle touch to keep the filling inside and maintain the dough's structure. Pinch the edges to seal. This will prevent the filling from oozing out during baking and keep the log intact. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The parchment paper will make it easier to remove the bread once it's baked and prevent sticking. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the bread is golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. This is a sign that the bread is fully cooked and has a nice, crispy crust. The aroma will be intoxicating, I promise you. There's nothing quite like the smell of freshly baked bread filling your kitchen, signaling that your hard work has paid off. Section 5. A toast to freshly baked delights. There's something truly magical about the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your home. It's a scent that brings comfort and joy, a reminder of simpler times. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool slightly. This step is crucial as it allows the bread to finish cooking and the flavors to meld together perfectly. I know it's tempting to dive in right away, but patience, my friend. Letting the bread cool ensures that it slices beautifully and maintains its structure. Once it's cool enough to handle, slice it into thick pieces. The sound of the crust cracking under the knife is music to any baker's ears. And there you have it, a masterpiece of your own creation. Each slice is a testament to your effort and love. This, my friends, is the beauty of homemade garlic Parmesan cheese bread. It's not just food, it's an experience, a moment to be savored. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's made with love. The melted cheese, the hint of garlic, all come together in perfect harmony. So go on, give this recipe a try. Gather your ingredients, follow the steps, and create something truly special. Impress your friends, your family, and most importantly, yourself. Share the joy of baking and the delicious results with those you love. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, the taste of freshly baked bread. Each bite is a reward for your hard work and dedication. Remember, anyone can cook, even you. With a bit of patience and practice, you too can create culinary masterpieces.